This is the audio signal output. Piraking Studio. Life is like a worm. There are different challenges to face every day.
Give you a lesson, go!
But there are always unexpected events.
Pirating, what's going on? Why are there whales on the ground?
There can be no mistakes in work safety. I already have a solution for the problem you see. I made a Bluetooth audio extension code. It has something different. It can supply power to speaker. Just plug it in and you're done. If the phone is out of power, there is a USB jack that provides 5V power. This is the audio signal output. This way, all the functions are integrated on it. It is very convenient to function, as long as the speaker is connected. Sounds good to you, right? Check out how we made it. Preparing to dig a hole for the socket. Dig holes in the plywood to allow the saw blade to pass through. First, drill the hole and then use a drill saw to saw it out. This should be usable. Saw out the wood needed for the casing. With this cross-cut slate, the cutting is much fast. Mix the epoxy. Glue the socket with epoxy. Fill up on each side. Sit aside and wait for it to harden. Drill holes for USB in plywood. Cut with a jigsaw. It looks okay. Let's test it. Holy cow, it's great! Glue it with epoxy. Now ready to mount the bow.
Circuit board, is it a mod?
This is a combination of a Bluetooth mod and a discarded transformer. It's simple, right? This is the circuit board removed from the transformer. Here's a Bluetooth audio mod for about $4. Basically, the alternating current is converted into direct current to supply the Bluetooth module. This also has AC and 5V DC output.
It's not difficult, it looks, I will too.
Azai, you can even hold a broom. How could you possibly to be able to do this? Solder the power cord first. Then solder on 5V power output wire. Clean the circuit board with cleaning naphtha. Install the Bluetooth circuit board. This part is even easier, just connect 5V power supply. When we're young, it's very difficult to make a simple circuit board. But now it's so easy. Seems there are modules available, but you still want to use a transistor. Wiring the USB connector. Hell, why are there 2 more hands? He was forced to hell after class. Because I don't know if it's durable or not, so just use Hotmail adhesive. There's a power indicator here, make it even stronger. Drill a hole in the case to fit the power cord. Looks great. Take out my ass in the hole and glue the case together. Then nail the casing together. Apply glue to every contact surface. Hey, Pirate King, be sure don't make any mistake yourself. Don't worry about others. Let's assemble. The test here is the accuracy of the plywood cutting just now. However, we also cut very accurately. Then cover with the last plywood. Nail to strengthen. Sharpen it with a rasp. That's almost it. Now connected wires. There is very little space here. You must use heat-shrink tubing. If the wire is covered with insulating tape, it will be bad condition. In addition, please check after soldering, and the slug should not fall on the circuit board. Also, the flux must be clean, otherwise it will be broken as soon as the power is turned on. Plug in the power cord. Then plug the connector into the switch. Finally done, it's time to cover the bottom plate. After the hole is drilled, the screw can be locked. Oh my god, this is done! Let's test it. You can see that the speaker is separated from the mobile phone, so that the speaker can be placed in the corner without affecting the work. Also, its sound quality is better than I expected. Great value for less than $4. It's so incredible, it's so moving. And like all knockoffs, it's bound to have inexplicable extras. You see, it can also charge your phone. It's amazing! This is Jason providing our background music. Great piano playing. But what is the effective distance of this Bluetooth? Now the speaker is more than 5 meters away from the phone and there are stairs to block it. Sound quality doesn't sound bad. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Piraking Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.